Well, I'm sure you guys get the trick of what I'm doing here now. That's my little chain vise. I'll give you a zoomed out look now. I'm gonna roll that burr off. Cam lock to tighten it, I guess. I think I have another. I know I have another video on this here explaining how I made it. If you guys are interested, I don't mind sharing ideas. That's for sure. Obviously, if you're doing the other teeth, the other side, you would flip the chain around. But I already did that side. You guys want to see, zoom in on a few teeth here. Okay, let's go back. Give it a second to catch up here. Come on. Maybe that'll work. Anyway, I'm sure you guys know what a sharp chain looks like. She's razor sharp, that's for sure. You wouldn't want to run your arm up against it or your finger. Okay, so yeah, here's another look at that. So okay, so this tooth is done. You roll it to do the next one, which will be this one. Once it's in there, make sure it's flat in there, and then you swing that around, give her a little reef on it. Now that chain's in there, no wiggle at all. Okay, that's what I'm doing. Fucking full house chain. Pardon my mouth, but for the little bit of a cutting speed difference in a full house chain, it ain't worth it. It ain't worth it on the sharpening end, that's for sure. Not in my opinion, anyway. I'm sure everybody has their preferences, but I like my skip tooth chain. There's a skip tooth that I just finished. This one's ready to go. I got 9 trees this week, so far to do. So it's Sunday night. I'm just getting everything ready here. I'm gonna do another short video on a 660 I have for sale. I got a lot of interest in it, and I just want to show it on camera there and show you guys that it's OEM and do a little cylinder and piston inspection on camera. I did one back a few videos, but not intentionally trying to show it. This one here is going to be specifically for that purpose. Okay, guys? So, anyways, just a little bit of Sunday chain sharpening. Stay tuned. Stay safe. Hit that subscribe button if you don't mind. It really helps me out. And leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know what are your sharpening methods. How do you hold your chains while you sharpen them? Do you leave them on your saw? Do you use a normal bench vise? Or did you build something like this? Okay, guys. Stay tuned for the next one. See you later. Cheers.